Say hi, guys.
Hi,
Where are we?
I'm camping.
We are in our makeup camping in our backyard, right, Arri? See, we have our little tents right here. What do you got? What's that?
Flying.
Flying car?
Yeah, you came back.
Wow. Can you show me the other parts of it?
Yeah.
See, look at all the cars Arri got. That's pretty cool, huh? Oh my, it can fly. That's awesome.
Can say people.
Can say what?
Can say people.
Can say the pepper. What sound it makes?
Okay, where are you?
That is so cool. What color does it have?
Red and black and tires and black
Black
and red.
and red. What else? What other colors does it have?
And orange.
Orange?
Yeah.
That is one cool car, huh? What is the next one? Let's go find on his special bucket. What is that? Just hold it right there. I can see it. See? Right there.
Yeah.
Yeah. That is so cool. Can you show me a red car? Where's the red car? Can we find a red car? Ooh, I can see a few red car. Put it down here so we can see it. Ooh, nice red car.
Yeah.
That is so cool. I think it's an old Ferrari, huh?
Oh, sorry.
Old Arri. What color is this one?
Gray.
Gray. Very good. How about this one? Look at these. It's a Hot Wheels. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. Go see what it says in the bottom. It's a prototype. That is nice. Ooh, what is this one? This is an old one, huh? That's neat. Even comes with a white hair from mommy. Ooh, race car. What kind of sound it makes? What sound? Like that?
Yeah.
Wow. Awesome sound. What else? Ooh, I think this is one of my favorite cars. Hard to tell because I really like this one. This is an orange race car. Let's see who made this one. If Arri will let me. But he usually won't let me see anything. It's a blue one. Nice. Ooh, monster truck. What kind of sound it makes? Like that? Whoa. So good. What you doing? I see you. I see you, Arri. Hi. I see that boy. Hey. Hey you. I can see that boy. Okay, you say bye, guys.
Bye.
See you later, alligator.